Everyone thinks the best-selling heat press machine is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different.
Product number 1, Cricut EasyPress Mini LT. The Cricut EasyPress Mini LT caught my eye right away, especially with its adorable compact design in blue. Priced at just $29, it's a budget-friendly option that's perfect for small projects. If you want precision and portability for crafting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The EasyPress Mini is designed for those tricky spots like shoes, baby clothes, and even hats. With a ceramic-coated heat plate that reaches up to 355 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures even heat distribution, so you won't have to worry about uneven presses ruining your designs. The single setting feature makes it user-friendly, especially for beginners. Plus, it's lightweight at just 0.48 kilograms, making it easy to handle and store. Over 2,000 people bought this in the past month, which shows it's quite popular. Now, some people complained about the limited temperature settings. Here's the thing though, if you're a hobbyist or just starting out, this might not be a deal breaker since it serves its purpose well for most small projects. This is perfect for you if you love crafting small items and need something portable and easy to use. Skip this one if you're looking to press larger items or need more advanced features. For its price, it offers solid value for casual crafters. Now, if that limited temperature setting bothered you, this next one might be exactly what you need.
Product number 2, Collagi Mini Heat Press, which is priced at an incredibly low $24.98. This little gadget has a sleek white and pink design, and it's really caught the attention of many crafters. If you want a straightforward option for various crafts, this one's worth checking out. This press is designed for versatility with 3 temperature levels: low at 284 degrees Fahrenheit, medium at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and high at 356 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to tackle a variety of materials without the guesswork. The mini size means it's easily portable and can heat up in just 3 minutes, which is perfect for those quick projects. Plus, the auto power off feature after 15 minutes of inactivity is a nice safety touch, especially if you're often distracted while crafting. With over 2,000 units sold recently, it's clear people are liking it. However, some users noted that the single button design can be a bit confusing at first. I'll be real with you, it took me a minute to get the hang of it, but once you do, it really streamlines the process. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss heat press that gets the job done efficiently. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced features or larger heating surfaces. Honestly, for under $25, it packs a lot of value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more robust features.
Product number 3, HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine. Let's talk about the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine, which comes in at $236. This beast is designed for serious crafters who mean business. If you're looking to elevate your heat transfer game, this one's definitely worth considering. What sets this apart is its auto-release feature, which means after you press down, it handles the rest for you. This is a game changer, especially if you're multitasking. It heats up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 minutes, which is pretty impressive. Its ability to evenly distribute heat means you won't have to deal with uneven transfers, which can be a nightmare. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction for good reason. Now, on the downside, it is quite heavy at 40.3 pounds, which can make it a hassle to move around. But honestly, if you're serious about your projects, the stability it offers is worth the extra weight. This is perfect for you if you're planning to scale up your crafting or even start a side hustle. Skip this one if you only need a simple device for occasional use. It's a solid investment if you're going for professional results. Now, if you need something that's a bit more portable but still effective, the next product might be right up your alley.
Product number 4, Cricut EasyPress Mat, priced at only $9.99. It's not a heat press, but it's a crucial accessory that caught my attention for all the right reasons. If you want to ensure flawless transfers, this mat is definitely worth a look. The mat's multi-layer design allows for even heat distribution and protects your work surface, which is critical for achieving professional results. Measuring 12 inches by 12 inches, it's the perfect size for many projects. Users love how it helps eliminate moisture and direct heat onto whatever they're pressing, which is super important for a clean finish. With over 1,000 sales recently, it's clearly a favorite among crafters. One downside is that it's just a mat, so you'll need a heat press to go with it. Some might find this inconvenient if they were hoping for an all-in-one solution. But here's the thing. If you care about the quality of your transfers, investing in this mat alongside a press is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you already own a heat press and want to enhance your results. Skip this one if you're looking for a device that presses on its own. For under $10, it's a must-have for anyone serious about crafting. Now, if you're looking for a more comprehensive heat press solution, the last product might grab your attention.
Product number 5, Cricut Easy Press 2, priced at $119. This heat press is well known for its reliability and effectiveness. If you're looking to create high-quality heat transfers, this should definitely be on your radar. The Easy Press 2 features a ceramic-coated heat plate that reaches up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to work with a wide range of materials. It's compatible with various types of heat transfer vinyl and sublimation products. The easy-to-use heat guide is a huge bonus, providing precise time and temperature settings for a variety of projects. With over 900 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice for good reasons. However, some users felt that it lacks advanced settings for more experienced crafters. I can see how that might be frustrating for some, but if you're a beginner or intermediate crafter, you'll find it more than sufficient for most projects. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable heat press that's easy to use without the learning curve. Skip this one if you're looking for super advanced features. For the quality it offers, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about crafting.
So, there you have it. The Cricut Easy Press Mini LT for portability, the Kalaji Mini for budget-friendly crafting, the HTVR and Auto Heat Press for serious projects, the Cricut Easy Press Mat for flawless transfers, and the Cricut Easy Press 2 for reliability. Each one has its strengths, and the choice really depends on your specific needs and crafting style.